Having a bunch of team members who had previously worked at nonprofits, we noticed a lot of interesting problems there. While many of these founders are experts in their respective fields, they often lack the resources, capital, and technical expertise to further their nonprofit processes. They often rely on inefficient, unscalable, and manual processes for these administrative tasks. And that's why we built Kiwi. Kiwi is a no-code platform designed specifically for a niche market that knows very little about technology by helping them create an ideal workflow. So, let's talk about this workflow. We start off with scoping, then application generation, customization, and lastly, deployment. We first ask the user requirements through a questionnaire. The application template is then selected based on their needs. Users can then customize the content of their web app with a simple editor, and then lastly, deploy their web app with a click of a button. Let's meet Isha, who is a nonprofit founder for DanceFest. Isha doesn't have the capital to hire expensive software engineers, and neither does she have the technical background to use current no-code applications, which still expect her to have some basic understanding of app development. Isha sees Kiwi, which we have built exactly for non-technical co-founders like herself. She logs in and starts building. So she wants to create a tracking tool, and now she will input in all the objects she wants to track. In this case, it's dancers, events, and awards. She can then add properties to these. Ages, for example, a number. Name is a text. She can then also add attributes to these, such as big or small for categories. And now she can add relationships. For example, dancers participate in events, and dancers receive awards. Here we have two relationships. She wants to call the app DanceFest, and now she can create a dancer called Jonathan, since we have an event called Dancing, here at Waterloo. And now we know this award is given to Jonathan. All done. At Kiwi, we believe that nonprofit founders do a lot for us. Their lack of capital and non-technical nature should not hold them back from changing the world. So here's a thank you to every nonprofit founder from Kiwi.